First thing I'm gonna do is come to the in-room thermostat controller and just gonna take a quick look and see that we are cold. Our set point is 21. Just to make sure, I'm gonna shoot the bottom of the stat there. There's a thermistor at the bottom. Make sure I'm getting a comparable reading. And then I want to come over to the vent where the complaint was that it was cold air blowing and just get a quick reading. Here we're upstairs. It's a York unit. Have it opened all up. Just a quick check. See that the motor's running, belt spinning, filters look good. Just want to confirm the unit is operating as needed. And then I just want to check that those dampers haven't failed open or are stuck. It's good always practice just to stroke those and make sure they're running. Here we're coming into the control board area and I'm checking to make sure all those letters there have appropriate power. Since the unit is running, we are okay, but as I can see from earlier, the heat's not running, so I put my meter on W1 to confirm, and it was working, so the control board is okay. Moving along over to the heating section. This is a gas burner unit. I'm gonna just check those wires, make sure those limits at the bottom are okay. I noticed this limit switch, it was popped out. You can see that middle tab there. And after resetting, you can see the flame, it fired up. So it was just a limit switch. It's an easy fix. Just gonna watch the unit start up and cycle a few times to make sure nothing else is causing it to trip. And then I'm gonna head back down, get a good reading, and well above 30 degrees supplier, so we'll be heating up space very shortly here. Now the more important question I'll get into later is why did it trip? So I'm gonna look into the trend logs and figure that out.